Hey guys, it's Ingrid, and I wanted to tell you one more thing, just one more thing about e.l.f. Not sponsored again, but they have a dupe that is rivaling something that's a favorite of a high-end brand that I have been dabbling with for a long time. Dabbling. It's fantastic. I have a bunch of them, and I'm going to show you right now. So you may have heard me talk about the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm. It is one of my favorite lip products, only because it's so comfortable going on. It is smooth, it fills in any kind of lines, and it just leaves a beautiful finish. It's not too much of a saturating color, but you definitely get a tint with it. Absolutely wonderful product, but it's expensive. It's $26, and e.l.f. has put one out now that is $8. So if you want to save some money and you're interested in trying this product, or you're already a fan of the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip, this is one to play around with for different colors that might maybe get you out of your comfort zone. I've bought several of the Maracuja Juicy Lip over the last couple of years. I think I've had 4 different colors. I have narrowed it down to 2 of my favorites. This one is called Sugar Cookie. I have 2 of these in play right now. One is in a purse somewhere I couldn't find. This is the one that is sitting at my makeup desk. Now you can see that it is almost to the bottom, right? The color stops right here. When you first open it, it's full down to like, I don't know, like maybe like that much or something. And it's a click up top, like you click the pen. And the problem is that when it gets this low, it stops coming up. So you have to go in there either with a Q-tip or a lip and apply it that way. That doesn't make for very easy, simple use on the go. I'll do it like before I'm gonna head out somewhere, and then that's why I have the other one in this shade in my purse for touch-ups. So let me just show you with a Q-tip here what this one looks like in a quick swatch. And this is the Tarte and Sugar Cookie. It's so pretty. These have a nice minty sensation to them because they're meant to be like a plumping gloss. This is the other Tarte Maracuja I have right now. This is the one in honeysuckle. That is a nice, pretty deep berry color. Look at the sheen on that. Okay, so into what you came here for, and that is the Pout Clout e.l.f. Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen. A plumper, a gloss, and a balm. A balm, a balm, a balm. This one also has a nice minty effect on your mouth, but it's not overwhelming. It's not something that I think does much for really plumping, but I enjoy that feeling, that tingly feeling on my lips with a product like this. This first shade I'm going to use is Toasted. Even the application of it is the same with the little clicking. This is Toasted. Really similar to honeysuckle above it. It's a really pretty kind of brownish rose color. This next one is Pinky's Out. Not one of my favorites. It looked really cute online, and I think maybe like when I'm tanner in the summer, I might like this a little bit more. It goes on kind of peach and mixing with my natural lip color, but that's Pinky's Out. Look, you're still getting that same beautiful reflect on both brands of products. This one is Busta Mauve. It might be my favorite. I feel like this one is kind of a close match to Sugar Cookie. Let me go in under that. Look at that. This one, Busta Mauve, has a little more color payoff than Sugar Cookie, but really, really similar. And then this last one I got is called Wicked Cherry, and it's very similar to the honeysuckle. Pretty. So this is what we're dealing with. They all have that same beautiful reflect. Now let's try them on. Okay, clean lips. First, I'm going to start with Toasted. These go on just so incredibly smooth. e.l.f. is really killing it with their lip products lately. This is the one that made me absolutely fall in love with this product. It is the perfect, I want to say like My Lip Sweat Better, but I feel like that's overused because we all have a different shade of natural lip. So any product we're putting on over it is going to look different than it is for me, than it is for you, than it is for you. So I feel like this one is kind of a nicer shade of my own lips, but it also has a little bit more depth and a little bit more pinky mauve to it. Pout Clout and Toasted. Next, let's try Pinky's Out. The formula of these, even if I'm not a huge fan of the color, I would still continue to use this and will continue to use it until it's done, just because it's so comfortable on the lips. And it's not bad. The color is not bad. It's just not my favorite. I like a little bit more of a brownish undertone with my lip products, and this is a little bit more peachy. The e.l.f. Pout Clout in Pinky's Out. The next one I want to do is probably my favorite color of all, and this is Busta Mauve. 1 or 2 clicks is about all that you need to get a full application. And you don't want to click excessively above and beyond that because you can't push the product. Like, it's not going to go back down. This isn't a typical lipstick where you can crank it down. Bust them off. It is so pretty. This is one of those shades that I feel like I can walk out of the house with no matter what else I've done on my face, no matter what kind of tones I'm going with on my eyes or what color shirt I'm wearing, and it's flattering no matter what. The e.l.f. Pout Clout in Bust 'em Off. Okay, and the last one I want to show you is Wicked Cherry. Really pretty, real similar to that Honeysuckle from Tarte. As a matter of fact, I think for this last one, I'm going to do a side by side. Okay, so it's Wicked Cherry on this side, and it looks like I got punched in the mouth. Let's go on with wrong one. Honeysuckle on the other side. Also, so nice of a product. I like them the same. If a product performs as similar as this does and there's a more affordable option, like, save your money. Or spend $26 on 3 of the e.l.f. Plumping pens and you can have 3 different colors to play with. Okay, Tarte on this side, e.l.f. on this side. If you were sitting in the same room with me, first of all, I'd ask, how the hell did you get in here? But second, you wouldn't be able to tell a difference. If I didn't tell you, you would not know that there is 2 different products on my lip. However, the e.l.f. side has a little bit more color payoff and the Tarte side is a little bit more clear. They're both beautiful and you really cannot tell the difference. All right, I wiped it off and I'm gonna go in with the full lip of the Wicked Cherry, just because you need to see how beautiful. These are so good, you guys. You should definitely check them out. And I completely spaced in leaving them out of that e.l.f. video that I did. I will link that somewhere around over here. These are another really great product from them. So that's it. If you guys like this style of a quick 1 product review video, then this is the channel for you. Please check out my list. I have a bunch of them on single product reviews. These are one of the best products in the drugstore right now. There's several more shades than what I featured here, even a clear. So you really can't go wrong. They are gonna feel so nice on your lip. Oh, and also, if you like my nails, aren't those cute? These are the Kiss Impress line, and they were a Valentine's Day like special. I don't know that they'll bring them back. You might be able to find them on clearance somewhere or something, but they're so cute, and they're coffin shaped and long. I never go this long, but for you, I will. Stick around, guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I cannot end this video. Bye.